สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, welcome to Delightful Homemade by Baimon. Today we are going to make Thai mango sticky rice or sweet rice in coconut milk with mango, or you can call Khaoniao Mamuang in Thai, a traditional Thai dessert that well known all over the world. It's one of my favorite dessert and I hope it will be one of your favorite dessert from now on too. Let's see what you need. Ingredients for coconut milk sticky rice. You will need 2 cups uncooked sweet rice, a glutinous rice or sticky rice, 1 cup coconut milk or coconut cream, half cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 to 4 pandan leaves. This one is optional. If you have it, you can use it. If not, it's fine. Ingredient for coconut milk dressing or coconut milk sauce. You will need 1 cup coconut milk, 2.5 teaspoon granulated sugar, 2.25 teaspoon tapioca starch, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and ripe yellow mangoes. This is my favorite coconut milk I always use, and tapioca starch that I got from the Asian market. Okay, let's start. In a medium bowl, add 2 cups uncooked sweet rice, and wash really good. I usually wash and drain rice for 3 times or until the water is clear. And drain it. Then fill the water back in and let rice soak in the water for at least 7 hours. Or you can soak it for overnight. After 7 hours, drain the rice and then pour it into the steamer, the lining with cheesecloth or thin fabric, and spread the rice into an even layer. Cover with the fabric and then cover with a lid. And steam on medium-high heat for 20 minutes. While waiting for rice, prepare coconut milk dressing. In a small saucepan, add 1 cup coconut milk, 2.5 teaspoon granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 2.25 teaspoon tapioca starch. Mix all ingredients until well combined and no lump. And then cook on medium-low heat until the sauce or dressing is thick. And set it aside. In a medium saucepan, add 1 cup coconut milk, half cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix all ingredients together. Add pandan leaves if using. Cook on medium-low heat. Stir constantly until start bubbling around the edge of the pot but not boiling, and remove from heat and set aside. After 20 minutes, check on rice. Open a lid. Be careful, it's very hot. And carefully open the cloth and turn over the rice from bottom up. Then sprinkle with some water. This will give rice nice and soft. And then cover and continue cook the rice for another 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, the rice is ready. Turn off the heat and carefully remove cooked rice. Carefully transfer sticky rice into a pot. Then drain coconut milk mixture into a rice pot. Mix and stir for a couple minutes. I usually stir until the rice has no lump and will combine. And then let sticky rice absorb all coconut milk. Cover for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, stir and turn the rice over one more time. Cover the lid back on and let the rice for another 15 minutes. Once the rice is ready to serve, to peel mango using a small knife. I recommend a sharp knife. Gently cut mango close to the seed kernel, both sides. To make a rose pattern, thinly slice mango. I use 1 mango per serving. Today I'm using a cocktail glass, but any of your favorite glass or bowl will work. And then scoop or spoon the coconut rice into a glass. And spoon the coconut milk dressing on the rice, probably about 1 to 2 tablespoons. And we will start working from the center out. So arrange mango slices on the dressing, overlapping one another, make like a rose patterns. in this glass. And you can decorate with mint leaves and some small edible flowers if desired. Or you just simply arrange rice and mango on a plate. But you need to cut a mango about 1 inch thick instead of thinly sliced. Drizzle coconut dressing on top rice and mango. Voila! It's easy to make, isn't it? You can serve immediately, or you can store the leftover coconut sticky rice in the fridge for 3 to 5 days. And to reheat, you can reheat in the microwave on high for 45 to 60 seconds. Hope you enjoy watching, making, and eating your mango sticky rice. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next video. สวัสดีค่ะ